How to make money with Shein affiliate program. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I'll talk about Shein affiliate program and how to earn money from it. For people who don't know what Shein affiliate program is, it's a marketing initiative offered by Shein that allows you to earn commission by promoting Shein products on your website, blog, and or social media channels. Participants in the program known as affiliate receive unique tracker links that they can use to promote Shein's vast range of products. When a customer makes a purchase through an affiliate link, the affiliate earns a commission on this sale. Most of you guys know what Shein is with various products. As you can see, this is Shein. There's a lot of products here, over 2 million items, and their store, and they're constantly coming out with new fashion products. And as you see, Shein has become one of the largest and most popular web store now. That's why I can say you have to chance, or you have more chance to earn money by being an affiliate program in Shein. But the question is how we can sign up. As you can see, um, here there is no link to get to Shein affiliate program. So what you have to do is using the website called cg.com. So this website will help you, or will help us to join and become an affiliate program in Shein. CG affiliate, for people who don't know what CG is, it's a leading global affiliate marketing network that connects advertisers with publishers to promote products and services. To more understand and get information, you can just read this information over here. And CG got a lot of brands, and Shein is one of the partner. So as I say, to more understand and get information, you can just read this information. For example, about the platform, solutions, partnership, resources about us. Here we have partnership. Here we have the advertiser, publisher, agency, influencer. So to get started, you can just click over here or scroll down, and then as you can see, if you want to get started as an advertiser and agency, or sign up as a publishers and influencers. So the one you gotta choose, you click, or you can click over here, sign up, and then as you can see, it will let us to um, if you want to become a publisher, you can just fill out this information. For example, your language, your country, your email, your password. Then you confirm your email, and then you verify your email. You will receive a link in your email to confirm it. After accepting terms and conditions, you have to activate your account, as you can see here, by editing your added user information, complete your profile, added properties, email forms, and added payment information. But you must complete your company detail and tax information before you can enter your banking information, and then you will answer for some questions. So let's begin with added your user information by clicking over here. As you can see, you need here to add your first name, your last name, your email, your phone, title, your status, if you are operator, analyzer, or link user, and your password. Then you confirm your password. After filling this information, you can just click here, save. And then we move to complete your profile. You can just click over here, like the first one. And then you will make a description by clicking here edit, and then you will tell your potential advertiser why they should consider your website to or for their program. After filling this description, then you will click here save to move to the next step. Then you will add a property by clicking here. As you can see, you can just click over here, create property, and then you will define your property by choosing which one is or more or suits you more. We have here, for example, website, social, email, mobile app, browser extension, services and tools, paid display ads, paid search engine marketing, or here we have if you don't see your property type listed here. Then you will define your promotional model. Is it content, block, media, coupon deal, product comparison, reviews or discovery, loyalty cashback, loyalty non-cash rewards, loyalty closed user group, trademark, Biden, influencer, paper call. And if you don't see your promotional model listed here, you can just click over here, and then you will name your property and you will describe it. It's an optional one, by the way. Then you will add a tags if you have to, so it's optional too. Then you will click submit. For people, for example, who they understand how to define your property, for example, if you want to promote or share links that you will have in social media, you can just click over here, and then you will select your social media platform and user handle or link to your profile. If you have a lot of followers, you can utilize your social media channels such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest to promote Shein's product. Share affiliate links along with engaging caption, images, or videos that highlight the benefits or features of the products you're promoting. For example, if you select your email here, as you can see, you can just fill in here the information related to your email, and then you have if you have an email list, you can promote Walmart. You can promote Shein's product to your subscribers through targeted email campaigns, craft compelling email newsletter, or product recommendations that encourage subscribers to click on your affiliate links and make purchases. Then you can just click over here, submit form for the next one. So you will select here your organization name, your postal code, address, city or town, country, phone, fax, and state, province, or country, functional currency, language, that format. Then you will click here save to save your information. And for the next step, you will add payment information, and then you will answer for this question just to help the website or CG member uh, set you on the right path, and then you will activate your account, and then you can share links of Shein's product, and then you can earn your money. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.